Alright.
Your mic.
What? But
Luffy, stop talking. There's something wrong with your mic. Then start commentating.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Denzel, also known as Phoenix, and this round will be Ellie and Finalo versus Seitai and Blade Kill. So from just now, actually Queen has DC'd by accident, and the recording was very screwed up. So we decided on continuing from 1-0 lah. About the previous video, I'm so sorry about it. We have to cancel it.
Yep.
so is it okay now?
Yeah, it's okay already. Okay, we can continue. It looks like Finalo is actually trying to catch the dancer over there, and I don't know.
And Dementia is out. Oh my god. Actually, Blade is trying to make it a 1v1 situation lah, but wow. Elegant Storm.
Okay, it looks like Ellie has been taken down, and she didn't even have the chance to Rising Storm them. And looks like Seitai is trying to catch the opponent by using Black Hole, but failed to do so.
Seitai from just now leh. Never catch one. Time stop miss. Gravity switch miss.
Very well.
Yeah.
Ellie must be able to defend
Finalo is
and stay alive.
one of the best 1v1 Majesty in Springwood lah. So but even he cannot stay 2v1 lor.
Finalo is actually a very good Majesty. I would say one of the top Majesties in Springwood, and yeah, he really portrays the top Majesties lah.
Yeah, but we cannot forget Blade keep.
Didn't they just won the first round?
Yeah.
Yeah,
End this.
we have to rematch already.